Day 2, and we are off to go through Kansas on our way into Colorado.
Fantastic riding day. Kansas is very interesting if you're not on the interstate, and I'm cleaning all the bugs from 2 days off my bike.
Yes, we have had a lot of bugs.
Yep.
And what happened at the end of our ride today?
We took a detour for about 40 miles. We were on Colorado 34. It was a detour, took us 40 miles out of the way, and we popped out a total of 80 miles out of the way to get to the hotel where we're at right now.
But we survived.
It was some interesting views. I would have been happier if we'd stopped for gas first, but we were fine. Worked out.
We live to ride another day.
We live to ride another day.
Say over and out.
All right.
Close enough.